Hello friends, is your car idling rough, losing power, or misfiring? If your check engine light is on, and your scanner shows P0268, it means there's a high voltage issue in the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 3. This can lead to fuel over-delivery, poor performance, and even engine damage if left unfixed. But don't worry, in this video we'll explain what P0268 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0268 is a fuel injector circuit high voltage code for cylinder 3. This means the injector is receiving too much voltage, causing too much fuel to be delivered into the cylinder. This can result in a rich fuel mixture, black smoke, and rough engine performance. Common symptoms of P0268: check engine light, CEL, on engine misfires, especially in cylinder 3, black smoke from the exhaust, too much fuel, rough idling and hesitation, reduced fuel efficiency, strong fuel smell near the engine or exhaust. If you ignore this problem, it can lead to carbon buildup, spark plug fouling, and even catalytic converter failure. To diagnose and fix P0268, you need to check these key components. Cylinder 3 fuel injector, located on the intake manifold or cylinder head, depending on your engine type. Fuel rail pressure sensor, found on the fuel rail, responsible for fuel pressure regulation. Fuel injector wiring. Harness, runs between the ECU and fuel injectors. A shorted wire can cause high voltage. Engine control unit, ECU, usually found in the engine bay or under the dashboard. It manages the injector voltage. Battery and alternator located in the engine bay. A high voltage supply can affect injectors. A fault in any of these components can cause excessive voltage in the injector circuit, triggering P0268. Common causes of P0268: faulty or stuck fuel injector. A shorted injector can cause excessive fuel flow. Damaged fuel injector wiring. A broken or short-circuited wire can increase voltage. ECU malfunction. If the ECU mismanages voltage, the injector may receive too much power. Faulty fuel rail pressure sensor, sends incorrect data, leading to excessive fuel pressure. Overcharging alternator. If the alternator is faulty, it may send high voltage to the system. How to fix P0268. Step 1. Inspect and test the fuel injector for cylinder 3. If it's stuck open, well, you should replace it. Step 2. Check the fuel rail pressure sensor using an obd2 scanner. Step 3. Inspect the injector wiring harness for any shorts, burns, or corrosion. Step 4. Test the battery and alternator for overcharging issues. Step 5. Scan and reset the ECU software if needed. Step 6. Clear the code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. P0268 can lead to fuel overuse, engine misfires, and long-term damage if ignored. Fixing it early will save you from costly repairs later. Want to learn more about fuel injector issues? Check out these next videos. P0215, Injector Control Circuit Malfunction. P0216, Fuel Injection Timing Control Circuit Malfunction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.